Hey friends, how's everyone doing? Welcome to my channel because it has just hit the right moment to enjoy this new video. So guys, today we're going to remove the account from this device. This is an iPhone and it's running iOS version 16.710, which is its latest software. And as you can see, it's asking for an account. So we're going to use a tool to remove the account. In this case, I'm going to do it with the Every Move tool. If you know, it's a really good tool that works for both Windows and Mac. For this, we need a Windows computer. I suggest you use a Dell computer or at least one from that brand, and get a good quality USB cable. And of course, you'll need an internet connection. Another important thing is to check that your Wi-Fi isn't factory locked, meaning you should be able to use any SIM card in the world without any restrictions. So it's important to check that it doesn't appear on a blacklist either, because if it does, it might not work with the method. So I'm going to run the Every Move tool now. I'm going to run it as an administrator. I'll say testing, and we wait for the tool to execute. I'm going to place the iPhone here next to me. Perfect. I have version 8.4.2, which is the manual for our book tools. All right. So now what I'm going to do is connect my iPhone. I write everything with one hand. Sorry about that. All right. The tool has already detected the device for me. First, you need to download the tool from the Remove Tools website and install it on your computer. Then connect your iPhone and the program will tell you if it's compatible or not with your iPhone to be able to remove the account. So make sure it's compatible before making the purchase. Now comes the million-dollar question. How are you going to make the purchase? So you make the purchase using a card, right? A credit card, right? You go to the bank, and I suggest you open a separate bank account from the one you already have as your main account. Once you open the bank account, ask them to give you a credit card to make online purchases, and you're going to go to Remove Tools to check the price for the iPhone you want to unlock. Then you load the credit card with some funds, right? If possible, load a little extra balance to avoid any issues, and you make the purchase on the Remove Tools website. Now the tool will scan and tell you if your iPhone is compatible or not. It will tell you if it's compatible, yes or no. If it's compatible, a pop-up window will open. That will take you to the iRemove Tools page. To make the purchase, you register with your email so they can send you a notification, and email will receive the notification about your device. It's all set and registered? Perfect. So since this is an iPhone X, it will need to be jailbroken, right? So see how we can do it. If I'm going to see how you can manage to do it, then I'm going to click on Start. It's important that you have your iPhone connected to a Wi-Fi network. Okay? Here it tells me to click on Next because it says that my iPhone needs a jailbreak. So is it necessary that I haven't already jailbroken my iPhone? In recovery mode, now comes a challenging part to carry out. Indeed, I am going to see if I can do it. And to do that, I have to click on the Start button. Let me see if I can carefully place the mouse cursor right. Here, this is the MEX interface, and if it works as expected, I will click to put it on start. I already have the buttons pressed, so I'm holding the power button and the volume down button. Let's hope it works. I release the volume button. The jailbreak is anticipated to start immediately. This means the process of removing device restrictions is about to begin. All preparations are complete, ensuring the operation's success. The jailbreak is doing all of this with one hand, amazingly, in an impressive manner. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a moment to thoroughly examine and understand the situation at hand. We will carefully assess and determine who among us will be the one to continue forward in this endeavor. It's important that we consider all factors and make a well-informed decision. Here, I'm literally going to click continue. Okay, here. It says that the jailbreak is done, and I click on close. Now let's click on start once again. As you can see here, it's asking for the account again, so you can see that there's no issue. I'm going to restart, and after entering our account, then I'll explain it again. We need to see what happens. We need to see what happens with the bypass in process. I'm going to restart. And after entering our account, then I'll explain it. In this situation, it is important for us to carefully observe and understand the events as they unfold. We need to pay close attention to the developments and outcomes that occur during the bypass process. This is not just a routine check. It is essential for ensuring that everything proceeds smoothly and according to plan. By closely monitoring the situation, we can identify any potential issues early on and address them promptly. The bypass process is a critical component, and understanding its progress is vital for the success of the entire operation. Therefore, we need to remain vigilant and attentive to what happens during this process. This device is not currently connected. Ready. It tells me that it's indeed completed, that it has been checked. Let's go right now. I'm going to wait patiently for the device to restart. I'm just going to wait a little more for the device to restart. No. I close the tool. Okay. I can disconnect the device. Let's check. As you can see, it doesn't ask for the account. If we check, we can't see an update, but there it is at 16.7.10, perfect. So now I'm just going to switch it off completely. Ready? We need to switch it off completely again because it's important for safety reasons. We really need this done properly before I can install the blossing curve on the device. It's really hard and challenging for me personally when doing this with one hand. It's quite difficult indeed. After a long period of preparation and hard work, I have finally reached the point where I can present everything I have been working on. I am fully prepared and ready to take the next step. Now, I am going to proceed and turn it on. If you are interested and want to be part of this amazing and growing community, I encourage you to join us. This is an exciting opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and be involved in something truly special. So, if you are ready, let's embark on this journey together and make a difference. In the bottom part of the video, I'll leave you the links to the WhatsApp group and the fight, not perfect. I'm going to completely and entirely turn off the Wi-Fi link to the signal. Perfect. Let's see if it asks for the account. No, it's not asking. The account is the same device, and we need to verify if it can connect to the internet to ensure proper functionality. Indeed, everything is correct as we have thoroughly verified all the details. We need to check if I can make calls. Ready. Ensuring that all systems are set up and functioning as expected. Everything is working perfectly with no issues detected, and all components are operating smoothly and efficiently. Okay? And based on the description, I'll leave you tips, requirements, and things so you don't easily lose what it takes to remove the account, right? So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it, and tell your friends about it. Leave your questions, inquiries, and comments in the comment section below the video, and I'll be happy to answer them. So we'll see you later. Guys, take care with the next one. Bye.